Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, kindly subscribe, and if you are already a subscriber, kindly share to others. Thank you very much. So today I'll be sharing with you 5 easy steps to building a dashboard in Excel. These steps comes after importing, cleaning, transforming and loading your data, meaning you must have worked on the raw data set. You must have made a meaning out of the raw data set before building a dashboard. So let's go into the first step. The first step is to determine the visuals. It's important to determine the visuals you would like to use for your dashboard. Now, these visuals can be charts, graphs, or tables. It's important to choose the visuals, or at least have in mind what type of visuals you would want to use for your dashboard. Now, there are different types of visuals: bar charts, column charts, pie charts, tables, line graph. So that's a topic for another day that I'm going to discuss. Number 2, after choosing your visuals, is to prepare a worksheet for your dashboard. By doing this, it involves removing grid lines or collapsing the menu bar and headers, and also zooming, making sure that your zoom is at 100%. So I'm quickly going to show you how to do this in Microsoft Excel. So this is an Excel worksheet. Okay, here you have your grid lines, and I have created a new worksheet in this workbook to explain this to you. So for you to do this, removing your grid lines, go to view in your menu bar, and you see the grid lines is checked. Just simply uncheck it, uncheck the headings and then the formula bar. So once you are done with that, you have to collapse your menu bar. So this is your menu bar. Collapsing, if you want to collapse it, you just come to this ribbon display here and then say auto hide ribbon. So when you do that, you can see that you have a clear space for your dashboard, and you make sure that your zoom is at 100%, which is down here by your right. So make sure it's at 100%. So this is how to create a worksheet for your dashboard. Number 3 is to choose a customized color scale for your dashboard. Now, it's important to choose a customized color scale, so it will make your work easier for you. If you choose a color, Excel will automatically create different shades of that color for you. I'm going to show you quickly how to choose a customized color scale, or how to build a customized color scale for your project. So let's say we have created our we have prepared our sheet for the dashboard. I want to create a customized color scale. I'm just going to use any color scale. Just go to page layout. Now there's a difference between creating a customized color scale and just creating a color. Color scale will help you provide different shades of a particular color. So let's say, for example, I want to create a color, just a color, a customized color. I'll simply come to fill color and say more colors. From here, I'll click on custom and then choose the color I want. If I have the RGB of that color, or hex colors, HEX. So but for my system, I have the RGB, so you can just select whatever color you want. I'm just going to use any color that comes out of my mind, just for this example. Okay, let me just say 25, 2 and 0 are the colors I would like to use, or 25 to, I'd love to use a brighter color, so let me just select any color from here. So 241, 97 and 17. So if I say okay to this and I come back to my color, I would see this color that I just chose. This is the color here. Now Excel only gave me this particular color. It didn't give me the different range of this color. But when you create a color scale, Excel will give you different range of that particular color. different shades of that particular color. So I'm going to show you how to create a color scale so that you can have different shades of a particular color. This will help you design your dashboard very well. So if you need to use a light color in your dashboard, you use it from that shade, and if you need to use a dark color from in your dashboard, you use the darker color of this particular shade. So let's try using that. So I'm just going to quickly check the color scale 241, 97 and 17. So I'm going to write it here, 241, 97 and 17. Okay, so let's create a shade, different shades of that. So go to page layout, where you have page layout here in your menu bar, and then you see colors. Click on that arrow down and come down here and say customized colors. So here I'll choose only this one, the first one, and edit. So I'm going to say click on the arrow down and say more colors, click on custom, and then type in the numbers that you have, 241, 97 and 17. So say okay to that. So once you have done that, it has created it up there for you. You can give it a name, any name you like to give it based on your project. So I'm just going to leave it, let's give it background. So you can even edit all of these and have all the shades of whatever colors you want to use for your project. But for this, I would just want to use only one as the example, just to show you guys. So I'm going to click on save. And then once you are done with that, you can now come back to your home, and then you'd see go to page layout, click on the colors, select this new color scale that you have created, which is background. We named it background. Select it. So once you select it, it will appear in your theme colors on your home menu bar. So you can see it here. Different shades of that color have been created. This is the actual color, and these are the different shades that have been created. So if I want to use this as my background color for my Control A, if I would like to use that for my background color, I'll just simply come here. If I want to use the darker shade, I'll use it as my background color. If I want to use the lighter shade for the writing, I'll do that. So that's the essence of creating a color scale for your project. Next is creating a template. Now, a template is simply the skeletal form of your dashboard. The skeletal form of your dashboard, how you want your dashboard to look like. Just creating a template in your mind. Okay, this is where I want my headers to be. This is where I want my charts. This is where I want to put my charts. This is where I want my slicers, my title, my KPIs. So it's just basically having a skeletal form of your dashboard in your mind. You can even create it in your Excel dashboard, the worksheet you have used for your dashboard. You can create it there and then just insert your charts, your visuals, which brings us to the final part, which is inserting your visuals. So it's important to insert your visuals, KPIs and slicers after creating a template for your dashboard. So this should complete the steps you need to take in creating a dashboard in Microsoft Excel. Very easy. So you can see the final dashboard. Once you are done creating your template, you can just insert your charts, your graphs or whatever, your KPIs and everything, and then apply the colors that you have already created in your color scale. So this will make your job easier and faster when creating a dashboard. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, subscribe and leave your comments down below. If you want me to create any video, you can also leave that comment down below. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye.